Today's featured pickup truck of the day is a 1964 Chevrolet C10. And I'll read from the seller's statements on this one. And the seller stated, "This stunning truck is a result of a full frame-off restoration. Meticulous attention was given to the body and paint to give it the very deep luster that only a true black can have. The body was in turn mounted to the fully powder-coated frame along with the new or rebuilt suspension assemblies. The powerful V8 327 cubic inch original engine burst readily to life, and being fully rebuilt does not have any undue noises or smoke. The transmission shifts smoothly with no judder or leaks. This truck also has power brakes, discs at the front, power steering, and ceramic-coated headers and tubular A-arms. Last but not least, the bed has been finished with a beautiful wood floor. This is a fully restored, one-owner, original California black plate truck." And it doesn't mention the mileage on it, but it bid to $36,000 and did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a good-looking truck, being black. Black ones are pretty rare and always look good. And as usual, the wheels may have hurt it. Wheels are always a touchy subject for most people. Either you love them or hate them. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1964 Chevrolet C10 pickup, frame-off restored, that had a 327 with an automatic transmission, and no mention of mileage, but it bid to $36,000 and did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.